how to share Spotify playlist with QR code. In order to do that, what we can do is we can just head over and then just choose a playlist that we want to use. From in there, click onto these three dots and then scroll down from that until you can see the code for that. So technically, a Spotify playlist doesn't have any code. However, you can have or you can create your own QR code by just getting its link. Click onto the share option and click onto this copy link. Once the link has been copied, head over to your browser and search in here for QR code generator. Now just choose in here any generator that you want. Let's choose this one and then just accept the cookies. And then for this one, just click on URL option and then just enter in here the link. Click on this generate QR code. And then we have in here now the QR code for that playlist. So that's how you share Spotify playlist with QR code. Hope we helped.